Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we are going to be learning how to locate GTA V or any game in Epic Game Launcher store. So let's say you were to be installing Grand Theft Auto and you have 50 GBs of its file already downloaded onto your PC and you do not want to install them or download them from online internet or Epic Game Launcher. So what you can do is you can locate your already installed files and save up your downloading time and speed and your waiting time. So yeah, what you can do is, first of all, you're going to be searching where GTA V the files that are already installed are located and where is the current version of GTA V is being installed. So let's say the files that you have on your PC are somewhere here on your games folder. So you can see I have this GTA V in here, and this is where the current version of GTA V is being installed. So you're simply going to be you can see we have this GTA V folder, and you're going to be replacing it with you can see we have the files in here. You're going to be replacing it with the files that you have already downloaded onto your computer, and make sure you are doing it while your Epic Game Launcher is closed, and you can just replace it with the files that are already downloaded. And once you do, you're going to be heading over to your Epic Game Launcher again, and in here you're going to be heading over to your library. So you can see when you head over to your library and your game, you can simply choose to if it was paused. So definitely you are going to be pausing your game before replacing your files. So you're going to be unpausing that or just resuming the download from here, and it will start detecting your files, and that's how you can save a lot of downloading time and your effort. So I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.